What's up, guys? So today we're going to be changing the headlights on my wife's 2022 Ford Escape SUV or crossover or whatever you want to call this thing. But yeah, she has some halogen lights and I just can't stand them. So we're going to replace them. Alright guys, so since we can't drive around at night and show you what the lights look like, these are her projector halogen standard lights. Like, they're good lights, they're decent, but just I don't know, this car would look so much cooler with LEDs. This is the Auxito LED light combo. They have this on eBay for like 40 bucks. You get high beams and low beams, and these lights are really good. I have these lights in my other cars. Super nice, trust me. We got the hood popped here, and this is what your engine bay looks like when you drive nothing but highway miles every day, an hour to work every day on the highway. We need to spray this down. I'll do that in another video. As you can see, our headlights are going to be right here and right here. Just gonna pop these caps off and get to it. All right guys, so we're taking off the low beam light. So what you're gonna do is get you like a little flathead or something, and you're just gonna pry this out. It's like a little boot. Pop it off like that. Now you have access to your light bulb, and I believe it just twists out. You just twist it out, and voila, comes out the harness. Super simple. Oh, it's just a pullback tab. Okay, there you go. All right, now we're gonna get our new bulb and put it in. Ooh, oh yeah, brother, look at these, brother. Oh, it's just silky smooth, my friend. Guys, looking at these bulbs side by side, the LED looks way more sturdy, just better overall. The halogen here, yeah, we can throw this one in the trash. Give it to some halogen freak or something, I don't know. Who fucking likes halogen bulbs in like the modern era? I don't know. All right guys, so we're gonna put our new bulb in. It just clips on, so you just line that up, clips on like that, and then you twist it back in place on the harness, which you want to go like start right, facing right, and then you want to twist back to your left. All right, it's locked in. You kind of want to wiggle it up and down, make sure you're sitting right. Maybe take it out like 1 or 2 times just to make sure it's in there. Okay, we're in there, good. All right, I don't know if you can see how the light's sitting in there. See it right there? It's like barely visible, but right there. That's how you want it to look. Here, it's gonna be the same exact process. You're gonna just pop off this cover. Damn. Right there. Pop that off, and then just grab your light, twist. Come on out. There we go. And pull it out. Now this light looks a little bit different, as you can see. The edges right here where you unclip are different. So you just want to pull one side, pull up a little bit, and then pull the other side, and just kind of wiggle it up and just go back to the other side, and voila, your light's out. Yeah, this is our new bulb here. Same thing, same style. And you're just going to, I don't know if you can see, we're just gonna connect this right here like this. Booyah. It's all clipped in. Then you just do the same process of Putting your light in, put the cover back on after you're done. Okay, let's go this way. Oh gosh, almost dropped that. Come on now. Okay, so you're just gonna twist this in like that. You can do it with one finger. You want to double check though, make sure your light's in there good. All right, we're in there. No wiggling, no moving around. It feels secure, sturdy. Just pop your cover back on. All right, guys, it's nighttime and we're checking out the LED lights we put on. And they're looking pretty nice. You know, you got some nice visibility. Look at that, lighting up the whole street there. So we're pleased with it, but let's go test this out and see how we can see actually driving and test out the high beams. All right, guys, so we're in the car here and we're testing out our LED lights. And they look pretty dang good. We're getting the dark patch coming up. Let's see how well we can see. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, man, you can see a pretty wide range of road. And I like how, you know, the lines are a lot clearer on the road. I feel like this would be really good. Kind of not really able to get a good view because of the dang street lights. Trying to find a dark patch of road here. Okay, yeah, it's a lot darker over here. This is nice. All right, we gotta test out these high beams. Let's see. Shoot. Okay, let me see. Oh, right here is perfect. Perfect, it's so dark right here. Yeah, that's nice for the low beams, nice. High beams, oh yeah. Yes, that is freaking lovely. How do I leave them on? Bam, there we go. Nice, yeah, this is a lot better. Way better. You can see all the way down the damn road. Look at these high beams. Holy crap. I can see inside that person's car. Wow, this is some good ass lights. Look at that. Alright guys, well that's gonna be a video. If you guys like this brand, Auxito, I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, happy installs. Dude, I gotta hit these high beams one more time. One more. Oh, come on now. Yeah. Wake up, wake up. Sorry, guy walking. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Peace.